Welcome back to Season 2 of the Hobby Garden. Now, the weather is not very nice. The garden is still flooded, covered in weeds. I'm surprised I'm not sinking right now into the lawn considering how wet it is. We've had way too much rain, but today we're not going to be staying outside. We're going to be going inside to discuss step number 3 for preparing your garden. And just like that, we are inside. And so today we are going to be discussing what to put in the garden. That's right. So the easiest way to decide what you're going to be putting in your garden is to look at what is in your fridge. So these are some rather old cherry tomatoes. They're very wrinkly. Now, a side note, when you have food that, obviously it doesn't last, the best thing to do is to have it growing in your garden so that whenever you guys want something like this, you can actually just pick it whenever you need it, wash it, eat it. And you don't have to worry about going to the grocery store and buying something and then it going to waste or whatever. I'm not saying that these are going to go to waste, but that's one of the benefits to putting something in your garden, planting something that you're actually going to be eating, because it reduces a lot of your waste, because whenever it's ready to harvest, you just pick it and eat it. So you don't have to worry about storing it or anything like that. Now, vegetable drawer, this is, for me, the one thing that you guys should really be focusing on. So, again, more cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes. They're really small. It's an easy snack. You wash them. You can use ranch dressing if you want or something like that, right? You can get some carrot sticks and celery, that sort of thing. So, cucumber, lettuce, peppers, and we have some apples down there. We don't have any large tomatoes right now, but that would be another thing that you can grow. And something that some people don't really think about would be onions. So onions are another great one to be growing in your garden. So look in your own fridge. Look at the items that you guys have in there. Anything that is a vegetable, basically just plant those in your garden. That is the easiest way to decide on what to put in your garden. And if you guys don't buy a lot of fresh vegetables from the grocery store, but you're big on melons like watermelons, something like pumpkins or squash or cantaloupe, that sort of thing, you use the same process. Anything that you would buy when it's in season, make sure that you're using that to build your list. So that is one of the ways to decide what to plant in your garden. So that is it for today. Basically, we're just gonna look in the fridge for ideas of what to put in our gardens, make a list, and once you've made your list, well, then we'll be going to step number 4. That'll be in the next video. So if you guys like this video, it's nice and short and sweet, make sure to hit that like button. Leave some comments down below on what you guys found in your fridge that you are going to be putting in your gardens. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe. Hit that button down below so that you are notified when I post the next video for the hobby garden. And I will catch you guys in the next one.